These are the top 5 most terrifying sounds that extinct animals used to emit. If the last one doesn't scare you, you are immune to fear. Comment which one you think is the scariest. But first, you will have incredible luck if you like and subscribe to my channel until this video ends. First is Tyrannosaurus. This animal sound makes me so nervous. Next is Alamosaurus. This sound is a nightmare, so terrifying. Next is Quetzalcoatlus. Just imagine hearing this right above you, so scary. Next, Triceratops. Bro, this sound makes me pee in my pants. Next, Velociraptors. Comment down below which sound scared you most.